Okay, from Great Tastes of Las Vegas, today we are going to make ground beef with rice ball. Let's get started. Okay, the rice cake, you can make them with rice flour yourself, or you can just go to the supermarket and get rice cake. It comes in the form of like an oval shape, but I like to use the small balls, rice ball. And we're going to cook them with seasoning ground beef and of course some vegetable. First, we're going to wash the rice cake in water. Now we're going to season the beef. That size of meat is about less than half pound. About half pound, just put half of everything spicy of each in there. So we do half of garlic, ginger, turmeric the same way. It cleansing, and ginger is to help you circulation, so that much. And the cornstarch we do 1 teaspoon. Mushroom seasoning, you can use bouillon or whatever you like. So I just put for that 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce for that much, we just put a teaspoon. A little bit of oyster sauce, which is about the same. So that you can see that much. So just peel few garlic in here. Get a few of these, just that. And put these inside the mix. You're almost there, okay? Now we have opened the ground beef. Just break them in a little pieces. Mix them really well together, and then we put right in a cooking pan to brown it with some oil. Make it into a little ball. You can shape it right inside the pan. Doesn't matter. First we turn on the stove for this to high, and then we'll add oil into it. 1 ladle of oil. And then even close the lid to make it cook fast. So many vegetables you can use, but whatever you have in the refrigerator, use it fresh when you can. So I break the mustard green. Always have a little bit of salt in your vegetable. So make it into bite-sized pieces, so do like that first. Pay attention to your ground over there.
Yeah,
make sure they not burn.
Yeah.
Wow, they look so good, but you turn it down to medium low heat, and it looks very good. Roll it around, make sure they brown. So I'm going to remove some of the oil from here. So leave like about a ladle of oil left, so that's good enough. And you can always add back into it again, but we don't want too much now. Next one, put a rice ball in. Now stir it first so it absorbs some oil for it. You are going to make sure there are enough water in here. So we just close it and let it cook. Let it boil, then cook. And for this, I'm going to put some of the bok choy in it. We'll use bok choy later for other dishes, but I like to have a lot of vegetable in my rice cake. So we're going to do some chopped green onion. And onion. Okay, for color to make the rice cake look good, I add more color vegetable like carrot and 2 bell peppers in there just to give it color, but that's plenty of vegetable already. Different shapes so it stand out in the stew, rice cakes, beef soup. Okay, our vegetables are prepared already. Now we are going to check on the rice cake. Wow, look how pretty that is. Okay, we're going to add ketchup to it to make it a little color. So about tablespoon. The harder vegetable would be the carrot, so we put a carrot in and the onion in to cook first. So now it's about a minute. We want to add the rest of the vegetable in it. We turn it on to medium high right now because we just add a lot of cabbage in. Since there's not a lot of water here, the bok choy will come out some, but it's not enough water, so I add about half cup. Now when everything's in and it starts boiling, just put the lid back on, cook it for, you can cook the mustard green, the bok choy, 3 to 5 minutes. It undercook it, then it would be 3. Completely cooked would be 5 to 6 minutes, okay? I'm sure it cooked already. We check on the mustard green right now. Look how pretty that is, wow. So now I'm gonna check my mustard green. Perfect, 3 minutes. Sauce is very good, like sauce like stew. It needs a little bit of fish sauce and soy sauce. So we're gonna put some new kind of soy sauce in here, which is for this we will need one about this much, and then a little bit more ketchup for sweetness. A little bit of fish sauce, same amount. That much. That should do it. Your rice cake beef ball is ready. Rice cakes, beef, vegetable. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, Beefball Rice Cake vegetable. Fast, easy, healthy cooking.